The 10 most important Java concept that you should learn. So the first is you should understand Java fundamentals, in which you should learn about data types, variables, and operators. The second, you should learn about conditional and control flow statements. The third, you should learn about classes and object. Then after, you should learn about oops concept. Then after, you should learn about exception handling. Then after, you should learn about collection frameworks. And then multi-threading and concurrency. Then after, Java memory management. Then after, Java input and output and file handling. And then at last, Java 8 features. The 10 most important Java concepts that you should learn.